So this, I know, is a sensitive subject, but it's just, again, it's truly an issue of clarity.
I don't like saying, I wish I could have, you know? I don't like saying, oh, fuck, I was in that situation, what could I have done better? I'm gonna do what the fuck I want, when I want, because I'm gonna do what I could have while I could have. So, understand this, karma, spiritual awareness, anything along those lines, everybody learn that shit. So look it up, start studying, man, start studying karma. You will get what the fuck you deserve, karma. Point blank, period.
In this world, there are a lot of things that are beyond our control. But what you do have control over is how you react to whatever happens in your life. What I now know is that we all become exactly what you believe.
If you were able to reveal the best of yourself to you in the world, that you would be an overwhelming force for good.
The breath that you just took was a blessing. Embrace it. Live your life fully. Accept yourself the way you are. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. I'll repeat, be kind to yourself, and only then you can be kind to others. Love yourself and spread that love.